At Massca Products, we value quality and versatility, and we make it our mission to have our products meet the same standard. The Massca Adjustable Twin Pocket Hole Jig is the newest compact jig with an adjustable pocket hole spacing feature. Including a newly designed mobile base, you can now position the width of your pocket holes to your desired distance without the hassle of clamping or unclamping. Adjust once, and you're good to go. Our newly adjustable base design gives you the option to detach your jig from the body and use each as individual units or for even wider spacing needs. Easily adjust the width of your pocket holes to 1.5 to 2 inches or even wider. Create custom built-ins or do-it-yourself projects with wood, all in a few easy steps. Our pocket hole jig is also the go-to tool for home improvements or repairs. Thanks to our classic design, our unique magnetic quick adjust base system makes it fast and simple. Easily use our built-in thickness gauge to accurately measure the thickness of your wood. The Massca features hardened steel drill guides to supply long life, along with a clamping magnet to use with steel clamps. Create perfect pocket holes to join wood seamlessly with our heavy-duty pocket hole jigs. The pocket joint involves accurately pre-drilling a pilot hole at an angle between two boards before connecting the two with screws. Perfect for carpentry and do-it-yourself woodworking projects, this set comes complete with a jig, 3/8 drill bit, stop collar, and a hex key. The Massca Pocket Hole Jig is designed for use with timber from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1.5 inches in thickness, or 13 millimeters to 38 millimeters. Pick up one today and start building awesome projects.